line of action is mush. Talked to my 3D design teacher in art school. I said to her, what do you think is the most important part of drawing? And I thought, I don't any clue what this is, because drawing is such a big discipline. I wasn't even talking about figure drawing. I was just talking about drawing in general. It's structure. That's what drawing is all about. You can't have anything without structure, especially with the figure. The most important thing to understanding anatomy is structure. Why are you using the line of action? What is this? I don't want to be thinking about noodles or anything remotely noodle-like when I'm drawing the human figure. You can't have mush. Mush is not going to help you. What if Aaron Tveit had no bone structure? It would just make me really, really upset. You don't even know what's holding up what. And this is a major problem, because guess what? The human figure, yes, there are soft parts. There's also muscly parts. The human figure has so much bone, has so much structure in it. And so if your guiding structure is the line of action, which is mush, that's not good. You need bone. You need structure. And again, it can be simple. But I'm saying elbow, nasal bone. Those are pretty straightforward. And then there's muscle. There is organic form. Most people will see the organic form first, because it's what's on the surface. It's what's very clear. So here we have the shoulder muscle, which is deltoid. And you're going to see that. You're not going to think to yourself, oh, humerus, which is the bone inside the arm. You can't see it. The humerus is inside. And so you have to actually have studied some anatomy to understand, oh, there's a bone in there. But that's important to know. Like if we just draw the surface of the figure, we just draw bump, 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 that's not going to work as a structure, because the human figure is a structure. It stands upright.